Got a little battery in there. All right, welcome back to the channel. What are we doing?
We're fixing this old toy.
Yeah, I built this toy for the boys when the boys were little kids.
And I still want to use it.
And he wants to play with it.
Except it has no battery.
So I built him this little doohickey thing, and it's got switches and lights and a blinker and a buzzer. But I put a seal lead acid battery in there, which has been many years ago. How long ago was that?
Like, I don't know, since I was like 3.
Yeah. So it's probably been 7 years. Turn it on. Get ready. Get set. Taking off on time machine.
Okay.
The big blinky light. You need it. Turn it on.
This?
Yep. All right. We're good. Here we go.
Okay, let's go. Whoa. Whoa. There's a time machine.
It's all right. It's all right. We'll turn around. Woohoo! We're time traveling. Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's fun travel.
That's right. Time travel.
Fun travel.
Okay.
Fun travel. With this.
All right. Prepare for arrival. Turn it off. Quick switches off. Okay, we're good. So I ordered another one. We're gonna solder this in there real quick. But I think this thing's about to run out of battery, so we'll see. Yep.
Alright,
We'll just sit it right there. Blinky light is on. All right. You can hold it and film with it.
No, I want to do the fixing.
You want to do the fixing?
Yeah, I want to help with the fixing. Can I snip the wire?
Okay, hold on. Let's see if we need to snip the wire or if it's better to...
It's welded.
It's welded. Okay, let's turn on our little soldering machine. Can you get the sponge wet?
Sure.
Just half the sponge, just to get it wet.
So am I just supposed to...
A little more. That's good. That's good. Here. All right. We'll put that in there. Just like that. Okay. You're going to separate the red and the black.
Okay.
All right. Let me get you the right snipper.
Will it explode if I don't...
Yeah, if you could short it out, and it's not good for the bat. That's good. Now you're going to snip them one by one. Okay, one right there. Okay. And then I want to show you how to, you're going to do the same thing on the new battery.
I have to cut them?
Yeah, we don't need this connector because it doesn't, hold on. We can't short it out, so we have to separate it. So one at a time.
Like right here?
Yep. Other one.
Right here?
Yep. Separate it a little bit. I'm going to show you what this does. You're going to put on the smallest little notch, and you're going to go like that. Squish and pull. And that pulls the little plastic off of it. Think you can do the other one?
Yeah, sure.
Put it on the bottom one, you can see. Okay, squeeze it and pull. It's kind of hard, but you can try it. Pull. Oh, you got it. Look at that. Okay, now you got to do the same. Don't touch the two wires together.
Oops.
Okay, now you got to do it to these two. I'm going to measure this battery real quick. Okay, this battery's good.
Alright, that's one.
That's one.
Two.
Okay, now we got these little protection things. This is called heat shrink. See these? You're gonna slip them over the wire, just like that. You can put the other one over that one. Now we're gonna tint the wire. We're gonna line it up. Want to make sure they're like almost sort of uniform. Nothing's pushing out. And you're gonna put some weld stuff on it. I'm gonna do these. I'm gonna kind of show you how it goes.
Wait, do I have to do it myself?
You don't want to do this part?
Not really.
You don't want to do it?
I might burn myself.
Okay. Show you. We put a little solder on that. We put some on this guy. We put some on. You don't want to do it? You want to try? Grab by that. Just don't touch the tip. It's super hot. And then you just touch that. And then kind of a little more. That's good. Touch the other one. Let that stuff touch it again. There you go. That's good. So now I'll do the rest. It's a little tricky. So I'm going to touch this one here. Kind of melt them together.
Can I blow it?
Yeah. Touch this other one. Just like that. Okay. Always remember to turn off the soldering iron when you're done. Then this thing should kind of work now.
Let me try.
Flip the yellow one. Got a blinky light. That's that one. Yep, it works. All right, so now we gotta cover the wires so they don't short out. Okay. So what we do is you slide this part over it like that.
Yeah.
And then you gotta shrink these, and it needs a fire. I'm gonna do this part.
Yeah, I don't like fire.
Right. So we're just gonna.
What the?
It shrinks when it gets warm. Just like that.
Oh, so.
And then we don't have Velcro because the Velcro is on here. I don't think it still may be sticky. Right?
We can use just one Velcro.
Still kind
If
of.
you can peel the other one off, we can stick it on.
That's some good Velcro. Must be made by 3M. You know who that is?
Nope.
They make really good chemicals and sticky stuff. Oy, yeah. Hey, that's good Velcro after 7 years. So now we kind of just
slide it in,
wiggle it in there.
and yeah, it works.
It's in there. So now we carefully.
Hold on, screwdriver.
It's right here still, big guy.
Oh, all right, I got it then.
So now we kind of make sure we don't pinch any wires.
So which way do I roll?
Go with the clock. There you go. Just snug until it stops. There you go. Okay. That's it. Let me double check. Make sure we don't. That's it. This is the charger for it, but it doesn't need a charge yet. So you're good. It's a success. We fixed it. Meep meep. All right. There you go. Thanks for watching, and until next time.